When I go to the fishing, I just carry this life vest and one small gaff, extendable up to a meter and a half. And I got the big one, but I just carry this. And all this goes into the bucket here. And this is a bait bag. I just use as all the sinker and the hooks. I put it in there, you know. And this is a burley net. This is a fishing net. This is a Sylvester, you know, for the burley. And this is a rock clit. It goes into the shoes, under the shoes, so that you don't get slip. And this is I just sometimes carry a glove. And this is a gimbal, leather gimbal. This is very old. It's about 20 years old, I think, you know. And just one plier. I carry another extra plier in my bag, you know. This goes all in here. Yep, that's it. That's how I carry the bucket. This is my backpack. This is what I carry. Bucket at the back so that it carries easier, you know. I have modified the bag to carry the bucket like this. Just unhook it and release it like this. This is what I carry in my bag. All these things I carry in my backpack. Ziploc, ready-made rigs and tackle box. Toilet paper, floats, battery operated floats, balloons, most important first aid kit, trace line, 2 reels I carry, GoPro, sunnies, sunblock, raincoats, esky bags, lower box. I just carry sometimes one box would be enough, and a plastic bag, and crab catching wire, and emergency food, and knife kit and sinkers. I hope this helps you. When I go to the fishing trip, I carry the fishing rod this way so that it doesn't get damaged. Marlin, just behind the tailgate, tail lights actually. Another one is I carry 3 pieces of one piece rods here. It's really heavy duty fishing rods here. All of them is about, 2 of them are 4 meters long.